Yes, so alright guys, you're welcome to today's video. So in today's tutorial video, I'll teach you how to design a simple logo, just like the one you're seeing on the screen. A simple good logo. So let's move on. Alright, so what I want you guys to do is just for you guys to follow me, follow the steps. If you don't get anything, try and watch the video again from beginning. Alright, so let's move on. So if you open Pixel Lab, this is how you made the Pixel Lab. So for us to start designing the logo, we have to import our background. So for us to import the background, just come to this three button up, this up list. Yeah, up can see where I marked. So just click on it and click on the first one, use image from gallery. So when you click on that use image from gallery, you now look for the background you want to use. I've sent the background we are using, I've sent to the group. If not, you guys can let me know. So this is the background I'm using. Just click on this button here, this button, this down please, this like tick button, just click on it. When you have clicked on it, these are your meets, these are to enter. So you have to delete this default here. So click on it and come to this delete icon. I'm sure we all know where all this are. So and click on delete. So alright, so what we have to do now, we have to change the image size. That's the size of the background. The size of the background is quite small, so we have to change this. So what you have to do is come to this three button up your the three button, this place here. Yes, so click on it and click on image size. So when you click on image size, just click on this custom and choose profile picture and click on OK. So this is what you made. So from here, I want you guys to listen and watch what I'll be doing. Alright, so for us to design the logo, we have to bring out a shape. So click on this plus button at the top side and click on shapes. So from here, just click on this drop down arrow in this place, click on here, yes, click on it and click on circle. So when you click on circle, try and increase it. What I'm doing now, you might not understand now, but just watch what I'm doing. So by the time I'm doing this video, you can practice your own, and if you not get it, try and rewatch the video. I'm sure you get what I'm doing. Alright, so this is what we are using. So for us to continue, we'll have to make this color black. Let's duplicate it. Hope you can see how I duplicated it. So let me show you again. Click on the circle, come to this pen icon up, so click on it and click on that like copy and mark it. Yeah, this thing here. Alright, so that's where you click on, so it will duplicate it. So we are going to put one on top, we'll put one on top each other. So the one under, let's make the one under to be black. That's what it's meant to be. So change the color, change it to black, or don't let us use black, let's use a texture. So instead of us to use color, I know to use color, but I want to use texture. Texture is just like color, but you can just bring a background. Instead of it to be in form of background, you put it into the text or into the circle. So click on that texture. I'm sure you can also see the texture. The texture is under, hope you can see it. Yes, so click on texture, click on it again, click on this. Okay, so you choose the background. So this is what I want to use. So you can just try and adjust it here. Alright, so okay, so the reason why it is not showing, because I've choose the color before for the background for the circle. So after you have import the texture, just click on this tick icon here. After you have clicked on it, you have to go back to where they wrote color. So click on color and off it. Alright, so you can see what happened. So from there, just click on that tick icon back and bring this white circle I'm carrying. Yes, let's try and reduce it. Alright, so I think I made a mistake here. Come back to this place and click on crop. You have to reselect the texture. So let's delete this one and bring a new texture. There's a mistake there, I meant to. Alright, so this is what you want to use. Can try and carry it up because this is stock photo. So So this is how it's meant to be. So this white circle, let's try and increase it small. Let's try and increase it small. Okay, click on that gold circle and come to relative position. Hope you can all see it. Relative position. Yes, so click on relative position, click on this one, the one at the top, click on it, and the one down also. Hope you can see what I clicked. Let me show you guys. I clicked on this one and I click on this one under. Now the purpose of clicking is so that our work can be aligned to the center, so that it can be moved to the center. So let's go to the white, click on that white also, click on relative position, click on it, click on it. Hope you can see what happened. So for us to continue again, click on that gold background, click on that pen icon and click duplicate. I'm sure we all know how to duplicate. So let's try and reduce it. Alright, let's reduce this more. Let's put it to the center. Okay, I think this is okay. So what you have to do next again, I'm sure the process is too long, but if you try and watch the video over and over, you get it. So let's click on that white also again, duplicate it again and put it at the center. I'm sure if I'm through with this video, you guys will understand why I'm doing all this process. So let's try and put it in the middle. I think this is, let's reduce this small. I think this is okay. Yeah, so click on that plus icon again, click on shapes. Yeah, this is the shape once you use the rectangle. So let's try and reduce it. Yeah, just reduce it. Let's put this one to the center also. That's the center. Alright, so since we have gotten to this level, we'll click on this icon at the top side, this icon here. Yes, so click on it. So when you click on it, we have to merge everything. Merge everything means you want to put all the layer. I've explained to you guys what I mean about layer. Each one of them, this is a layer, this is a layer, this is a layer, every one of them is a layer. Okay, alright, so for you to merge all the layers together, you come to this place, you click on this down part. So when you click on it, you now start taking all the layers on to merge together. So these are the layers on to merge together. So after that, you click on this icon here. Hope you can all see it. So when you click on it, click on OK, then all the layers are merged together. So alright, so after I've merged all the layers together, so let's just scroll, and so we're looking for erase color. So this is erase color here. You can all see it. So when you click on erase color, just on it. Face back. So on the erase color, hope you can all see what happened. Yes, this is what we have gotten to. So with all the process we have been going through, this is what we are trying to achieve, and we have achieved it. I'm sure we have seen the reason why I'm putting all those whites, all those colors together. So since we have gotten to this level, so click on the shape and come to emboss. So when you have reached emboss, just on the emboss. Hope you can see the lightning that is showing on it. So you can just try and face the lightning up. Yes, that's okay. Come to bevel this down the lower part, try and reduce it. You can increase it to anyhow you want, but I want it to be reduced. So this is okay, the lightning is okay, like that. This is okay, so I like it the way it is. So since we have gotten to this level, what we have to do now is to add our text. So for you to add our text, it's the normal thing. Come to this plus button, click on text. So what should we add there? Let's put, okay, welcome to DD Digital. So come to this place, click on that pen icon. Alright, welcome to. Right, so in this, let's choose a text. Alright, so I told you guys I was playing something to you guys. So I was talking about fonts. Yeah. Okay, you can see where they wrote font. So that capital letter A and small letter B, click on it. These are fonts here. On this way. Okay, I think this will be okay. Let's see this. So you'll come to this place, the wrote curve, click on that curve and let's bend it. Alright, I think this is okay. So we're not giving it white, we're giving it gold. So that's the color we'll be using for today. No color, we can the color also, but let's give it texture. Alright, so this is the color texture we'll be using. So let's just try and use this. Okay, hope you can all see how the thing came out. Alright, so you can just try and duplicate this, copy, bring it here. Alright, welcome to DD. Welcome to DVS Digital. Alright, so let's just put something like asterisk here just to make it look. Alright, so it's okay. Alright, so let's come back to that and just try and bend it like this. Yeah, I think it's too much, so let's reduce it. Okay, so let's come back to the curving. Let's reduce it again. Let's come back to the curving. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So you have to be patient with the work. I think let's see this. Let's, I think there's a mistake somewhere. No, not sure. Okay. Okay, so we can just leave it like this. Welcome to DVS Digital. So in the center we can just write Toby Art. So let's come to this all place, or let's use this. No, let's come to this all place. Click on text. So when you click on text, you bring it here and write Toby Art. So Toby Art. Alright, so let's try and increase it. Let's change the font. Let's change the font. Alright, so the font I'll be using Falcon. You can just look for it in case you want to use it also. Let's just look for it. Alright, so Falcon. So this is the font I want to be using. Alright, so Right, so this, let's choose a color, texture. Alright, so this is what we are up to. Okay, so I hope you can all see how far we have gone and the thing is coming out well. So since we have reached this place, so what we have to do is just to merge all the layers again. So come to this place here, you can click on this button. I'm sure we all know how to merge, and just merge everything together. If you feel this is not too cool, you can do some editings to your own work just to make it look more better than this. I'm expecting your work to be more better than this, so let's increase this. Alright, so after I've increased it, come to this button in this lower part, this button here. Yes, so when you click on it, go to the ending part and click on, okay, let's say emboss. This might not work. Alright, so I don't know why it's doing like that. So come to shadow. So when you click on shadow, on the shadow, so let's try and blur it. Blur. Hope you can all see what is showing out. That's the purpose of the shadow. Alright, so let's reduce the blur. Alright, so this how far we have gone. I don't want the video to just be long unnecessarily. Alright, thank you.